2015 F150. We're working on the heater and air conditioning controls for the positions of where the airflow comes out of, and we're stuck on face. No matter what we press, it does not blow out of anything but the face. So if we press defrost, still blows out the face. Feet, still blows out the face. So we're gonna go under the dash near the gas pedal and replace the mode door actuator. Straight up from the gas pedal is the accelerator pedal position sensor. Depress the tab after removing the red lock and unplug it just to get it out of your way. And then shortly behind it, more down below and behind the radio, is the mode door actuator. Same thing, pull the red tab out and depress the connector and pull. Now there was 2 screws that were holding the actuator in, which I have removed already, but they're quite easy to get to. They're a Torx head screw. One is right there, the other one is right here. And then after you remove those screws, you simply pull the actuator straight out. Now we'll just simply replace it with a new one in the reverse procedure. We'll be using a Napa air door actuator, part number 655-42881, and this is a Dorman built actuator. If your actuator was in the same position mine was when you removed it, which was the face vents, the new actuator is shipped in a different orientation. So we're gonna have to rotate this gear downward to line it up. That looks about right. We'll have to just test fit the new actuator, and you can do the same until it slides right on. Just put your screws in by hand first, and then tighten them up. Snug is good. It's only plastic, so you do not want to crack the mounts. Reinstall the connector to it, and then the red safety. Same thing for the accelerator pedal position sensor we took off. And then let's check it out. Okay, just verifying the repair. We're on feet, and it is blowing out feet. Go up to face, and it is blowing out face as well as the feet. Let's try just defrost. And we are good. So we verified this repair. Mode door actuator 2015 F150. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video if it works for you.